Welcome to the Python Developer Roadmap 2025. This is your complete, step-by-step, beginner to developer guide designed to help you become a job-ready Python programmer. Now, the big question most beginners ask is, can you really become a Python developer in 6 to 12 months? The answer is a resounding yes, but only if you follow a clear, strategic roadmap. This guide is specifically for you if you are a complete beginner, if you feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information out there, and if you simply want a clear, step-by-step path to follow. This is not for you if you're already an advanced developer or if you expect instant results. So, what exactly is Python and why is it so important in 2025? Python is a beginner-friendly, powerful, and incredibly in-demand language used everywhere, for web development, data science, AI, and machine learning, automation, and simple scripting. It's the language of choice for giants like Google, Netflix, NASA, and Meta, and its popularity in the fields of AI and machine learning makes it absolutely future-proof in 2025. Today, we are going to walk through the 5-step roadmap to your first Python job: Foundations, Core Python, Choose Your Path, Projects, and Job Prep. Let's start with Step 1, Foundations. Your goal in the first 2 to 4 weeks is to get the basic setup and language syntax down. First, install Python and a good code editor like VS Code, and learn how to run your simple Python files. Then, dive straight into the basics, understanding variables, different data types like strings, numbers, and booleans, and the simple functions like print and input. Just focus on simple exercises and getting comfortable with the environment. Next is Step 2, Core Python, which is where you build your logic muscles. You must master control flow, that's your if, elif, and else statements, along with comparison operators, which you can practice by building mini projects like an age checker or a login validator. After that, tackle loops, specifically the for and while loops, plus break and continue. Try to build a guess the number game or a simple multiplication table generator. Following loops, focus on Python's most essential data structures, the list, tuple, set, and dictionary. Understand the difference between them and include one example for each. You'll then move on to functions using the def keyword, understanding parameters and the return statement. A great function project is a password validator. Finally, you must cover the basics of object-oriented programming, OOP, which includes understanding classes, objects, attributes, and methods. Think of a simple car class example. Once your core Python is solid, you move to Step 3, Choose Your Path. Python offers 3 main career paths: web development, data, AI, and automation. If you choose web development, you'll need HTML, CSS basics, a framework like Flask or Django, and database basics, SQL. Your project should be a blog or a simple Todo app. If you choose the data science path, you must learn the key libraries, NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, and understand machine learning basics. Your projects could be a CSV data analysis tool or a basic house price predictor. If you choose the automation path, focus on writing small scripts, file automation, and web scraping. Projects include a file renamer or an auto email sender. Later on, you can explore additional paths like APIs with FastAPI, Game Dev with Pgame, or DevOps scripting. Now, on to Step 4, Projects. Projects are how you prove your skills. Start building things. Good ideas are a command line interface, CLI, tool, a portfolio website, an API, or a desktop app. Crucially, you need a strong portfolio on GitHub with 3 to 5 strong projects, each having a clear README, detailed project descriptions, and clean, readable code commits. Finally, we reach Step 5, Job Prep. You should start applying when you have solid projects, basic data structures and algorithms, DSA, knowledge, a well-maintained GitHub profile, and a professional resume. To summarize your journey in a timeline, months 0 to 3 are for the foundations and core Python, months 3 to 6 are for picking your specialization path and building solid projects, and months 6 to 12 are for dedicated job prep and applications. You have learned the full 5-step roadmap: Foundations, Core Python, Specialization, Projects, and Job Prep. The time to wait is over. Start learning today. Hit the like and subscribe buttons, and comment below what Python path you are choosing.